Here's the water. I'm making a 2000 ground, the water with glycerine. I use 5% of the glycerine, and this is my mixed oil with butter and grapeseed oil, and I have my Sepi White in it. Sepi White, you can eat it up to more than 60%, so that's why I'm going to double boil it using the double boiler method. And I also have my Ewax, my Cetyl and blue bearberry. So, and this is my collagen, and this is the bearberry. I just make sure that 2% of it. So I'm going to tell you how the measurement of the whitening additives. So now I'm going to put them on because I'm doing my whitening base. My collagen with bearberry is well dissolved now. You can see. Just put it inside your distilled water and leave it. It will dissolve. No need to warm it. If you want to warm it, just a little bit, okay? So this is my Xantham gum. I normally use 0.2%, so that is 4 grams. So I'm going to mix it with this is glycerine, just to dissolve. You can add it into the water, the boiling water. So now I'm going to add my lactic acid. So here I have my preservative. As time goes on, everything is going to solidify properly, and this is the end product. It has solidified. See, so this is our whitening base cream. Whitening base cream. See,